Man, getting old sucks. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Yep, you just saw it. Today's video is going to be about this. Promised to update, as I told you. I'm fixing to wash the red car, so I figured I'd wash this while I had everything out and show you how everything's holding up. So let's get to it. Now before I get started, let's go over the basics for those that do not know what's going on. I have this old hood that my neighbors gave me, and I applied 4 products. Lithium Auto Ceramic Slam, the new formulation of Seal and Shine by Turtle Wax Acrylic Ceramic Black Wax, and Griot's Garage 3-in-1 Ceramic Wax. Now when I did this last update, I'll put it up there so you can see it, the ceramic wax, for whatever reason, would not sheet. The water just stayed there. Now after it rained, it beat it like nobody's business. It beat it like crazy, but it didn't sheet the water. So we're going to see how it does this time. And what we're going to be using is Car Pro Reset. And the reason I'm using this, the reason I chose this, is because it has no glossifiers, no waxes, no nothing in it. It's just plain straight car shampoo. And this stuff is really good, because all it takes is 1 cap full. Watch this. As you can see, there's nothing in my bucket. I put 1 cap full right in my bucket, and I'll wipe that off, don't worry about it. Put the cap back on, put it over here with a yard full of junk. Wipe that off real quick, just a quick little swipe. And now we need some water. Well, watch how much suds comes out of this thing. Drop my mitt in. The reason I do that is so the mitt will get all that soap and suds and clean stuff in the mitt. Wow, that's crazy. Now before I put any soap on, let's see how it's doing. Dirt will inhibit any beading and any water sheeting, but this is just a quick little test. As you can see, it's starting to sheet, starting to dry over here. Over on this side, nothing. Right in the middle is doing the best. That's because right in the middle is a raised hump area. So let's get it washed up and I'll show you what's going on. Let's take a look. Here's the hood. As you can see, it's about all the water's gone off of it except for some beads. Again, Ceramic Slam by Lithium Auto. Seal and Shine, new formulation. Turtle Wax Acrylic Black Wax. Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic. Let me get my hose. This is the craziest thing. And I don't know what is going on. I don't know if it's the paint or the hood, or I just don't know. And I've said this the last time that I tried this product. The Griot's Garage on the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax on that car is working spectacular. On his hood, no. Like I said, I'll put the links to the videos up top so you can see it. But for some reason, as you saw from the above shot, it is now sheeting water. I don't know if it had to cure longer on this paint or what is going on with it. Now what I used to do this, I'll put the video in also. This hood looked like crap. I clay barred it. I hit it with the isopropyl alcohol. I polished it with Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. Then I hit it again with isopropyl alcohol and water, Dawn dishwashing liquid in between each application. And there was no water beading or anything. I put the products on the first time. Nothing really lasted on it. So what I did was I came back, I stripped it off, I used all kind of degreasers and stuff, got everything off of it, and reapplied. Only this time I used 4 products, the ones that I just named a minute ago. And after the first wash, the Griot's, like I said, the Griot's Garage was not sheeting, and it was not beading. But I can't, and nothing has been applied to it since. We're talking 2.5 weeks ago, maybe 3. Nothing has been applied to it since. I came out the other day when it was raining to do the update video, as you saw. You know, if I have room, I'll put the video up there. If not, it's only like 2 videos back. I came out and it was beading water fine. I mean, it was like, what happened? And like I said, nothing else has been put on this. But look, this is the Griot's Garage 3-in-1 ceramic wax. Look at how it's sheeting and beading water right now. And just look at that. It's just running right off. Like I said, I don't know if I've got a weird bottle. I don't know if it didn't react well with this paint, this hood, the polish that I used, or what. But look at it, it's gone. The water is, the wax is there. I mean, it's like it decided it wanted to come back. What in the world? But there's the Griot's Garage 3-in-1. Now let's go to the Turtle Wax Acrylic Ceramic Black Wax, which is applied right behind it. And as you can see, it is all but gone. It's still there. It's sheeting water real slow. Real slow. Now it was doing good the first update, but right now, not so much. And look at it. Compared to the Griot. I sprayed the whole section there. Look at the difference. Now could it be that the hood isn't tilted right? Well, I don't know. Let's try it and find out. Let's tilt the hood back the other way. Nope, not running off any faster. Still there. Trying to do it so you can see it in the light. So that one right now is in 4th place. Griot's Garage is doing pretty good. And look at it. Now let's see how the new formula of Seal and Shine's doing. It's doing really well too. I would say it is definitely in front of the Turtle Wax Acrylic Black Wax, Acrylic Ceramic Black Wax, definitely in front of it. But behind the Griot's Garage. Right. Just ever so slightly. Now let's see how the Lithium Auto Ceramic Slam, which is right here, this half of the hood. Look at that. As soon as I take the water off, and this hood right here is flat, there's no run to it. That's why I tilted the hood up to see if it had any effect on that. But look at how good the ceramic slam is doing. As soon as I take the water off of it, bam, almost gone completely. Look at that. I mean, it's just getting the heck out of town. Shouldn't see anything by doing it like this. Ceramic slams first, Griot's Garage is second, Seal and Shine's third, Turtle Wax, Acrylic, Ceramic Black Wax is last. And that's the current update. That's how it's still standing right now, or standing right now. The Ceramic Slam by Lithium Auto is in first. The Griot's Garage Ceramic 3-in-1 is in second. The Seal and Shine is in third. The Acrylic Ceramic Black Wax by Turtle Wax is in last. You see it. Can any of you explain what's going on with that Turtle Ceramic 3-in-1 by Griot's Garage? I just do not get it. I didn't have this issue on the red car. I mean, it started beading and sheeting immediately, so it's got to be something with this hood. It is not the wax, it is not the product. It is either this hood, this paint, or the polish is still having some kind of effect on it. And like I said, after it's set for a couple days, it's good to go. I mean, look at it. That water is getting off of there and in a hurry. But there you go. That's all I can say about that. Now let's go to a little B-roll footage so you can see, you know, stuff a little different, and keep a lookout for the next update, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care.